my channel, you guys. Today's video is sponsored by WIGENCOUNTERS. So they did send me a melted lace, yes, a melted lace, Swiss lace HD unit. And this is a body wave unit at 22 inches at 180% density. Now you guys, what's different about this unit, I feel like, is the waves. Like, these waves are a little bit more looser, I feel like it's still a body wave, but it's more of a, you know, a loose body wave. So I was thinking, I'm like, maybe I should curl it or something, or maybe I should do something different. But with this unit, I didn't want to take any of the, you know, the naturalness out of it. Like, I didn't want to take the waves out of it. I'm like, maybe I could work with this. Let me just put some water in it. And I'm like, maybe let me just put some water in it and then put some, you know, eco styling gel in it, just to see how the waves look, because they could look like they're not as defined, but I haven't put any product in it yet, so maybe they'll look even better. So I feel like the waves look 10 times better when I put the product in it. So before we get into this install today, you guys, make sure if you are new, you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you're hitting your post notification bell so every time I post, you don't miss an update.
Listen, seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling apart. Yeah, tension between us just like picket fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, 'cause we're falling apart. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my old ways, I can't blame you. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my old ways, I can't blame you. Listen, part of feeling trust from a distance. I think we should roll out the limit for now, 'cause we're falling apart. Leaving, you're just going meant to leave it. Don't pick up the pieces, just leave it for now. You keep falling apart. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my old ways, I can't blame you. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my old ways, I can't blame you. Just leave it for now, you keep falling apart. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my old ways, I can't blame you. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my old ways, I can't blame you.
Guys, so as you guys can see, I am wearing a side part. So I decided to do a side part because, like I said before, this is an HD lace, and this also is a 13x6. I didn't mention that in the beginning, but this is a 13x6 unit. So I'm like, okay, I could either try a updo to do something different, or I can try to do a side part. So I did decide to go ahead and do a side part. And again, the lace is really easy to lay down. So I'm like, this will be so easy for me to just go ahead and lay down my baby hairs, do this side part. And then it has like a loose wavy type of look going on, so I know it would be beautiful. I'm not sure how deep you guys like your side parts, but I feel like this is just deep enough for me. As long as it's like just right in that corner, I'm okay. So I think the best thing about this unit is, of course, the HD lace. Like I said before, for my ladies who are even beginners, when you have hair that is like, when it's melted lace, a HD lace transparent, I'm telling you, the wig is going to be so easy for you to install. And then the pattern, the wave pattern that they have going on, you do get the wig, it's going to be like a super duper like loose wave type of like thing going on with the hair. But I feel like if you put product in it, it'll make the waves look 10 times better, because I didn't care for the waves when I like air dried it and let it, you know, dry out or anything. There was waves in it, which I really like. It was waves from top to bottom, but I wanted them to be more defined. So I didn't have to do too much as far as the baby hairs go. I just wanted to make sure I did the baby hairs really on this side, and then just do a little swoop in the front. So another thing with this type of lace, you guys, it's not hard at all to pull out the baby hairs. They were easy to just pull out of the scalp due to the fact that the lace is like a natural, you know, hairline. It's an HD lace. I'm telling you, you see a big difference when you have an HD lace, transparent lace, compared to a regular like clear lace. It's so much easier for you to do what you need to do with the hair. This hair is giving me a yucky texture feel for sure. Even when I put the product in it, it's still giving a yucky texture, but I really don't mind that because it just feels super duper natural. The waves in this hair, everything is flowing. The hair is really soft, you guys. I'm telling you, so beautiful. This hair is at 180% density, so it is really full. So as far as this unit goes, I feel like this unit isn't too much to where you can't wear it in the summertime. You can wear it in the summertime, springtime, fall, winter. This is definitely one of those type of looks. I don't know, it's something about this wig. I really like this wig. And even though the waves are like a little bit looser, it's beautiful and it's my face so good. And you guys, I was gonna wear this side to the back, but I'm like, let me pull this to the front. It's giving. This hair is giving, okay? This hair to be at 22 inches, you guys, this unit is really like long for me. Like, look at this. This is 22 inches, you guys, and I'm telling you, it feels like it's going like below my boob. Like, this hair is super long for it to be 22 inches. So this is definitely a unit that I would get. And when companies tell me what lengths they're gonna give me, and they say, like, you know, for instance, this is 22 inches, I'm like, oh, this is gonna be so short. But you never know, because sometimes, like, you know, lengths are different with different companies, densities are different with different companies, you know what I'm saying? So for this to be a 22 inch, I do feel like it's definitely giving like a long type of look. It's definitely giving a long look. So just imagine the other lengths and how long that's gonna be. Just imagine. I didn't get any type of tangling, even with me putting the product in and stroking it through the hair. I didn't get any tangling, and I did get just a little bit of shedding, just, you know, towards the ends of the hair. But sometimes that happens, you know what I'm saying? It happens when you're, you know, putting lots of stuff in the hair, and you know, sometimes you get just a little bit of shedding, but it's nothing like too drastic or anything like that. You guys can purchase this unit from WIGENCOUNTERS.com. Now this unit does range from a 10 inch to a 24 inch. So like I said before, for this to be a 22 inch, you guys, it's pretty long. I'm telling you, it's super long. And I'm 5'2", so my height, that could be why as well, but I'm telling you, for this length to be 22 inches, it's definitely worth it. And then you're getting that fullness that you're looking for. I'm telling you guys, you can't go any wrong. And I would definitely suggest go ahead and try a side part, especially for my girls whose go-to is a middle part like me. you'll be very surprised. Like, this unit looks so good in a side part. But again, with this unit as well, you do have that versatility. You could do it as a side part, a middle part, an updo look, whatever you want to do it as. Along with this being a 13 by 6 all the way around, you do have lace in the back. So if you want to do like an updo look as far as like a bun or a ponytail, you can do that as well. And then as far as the way this wig fits, it fits really, really well actually. I did go ahead and adjust the straps because you will have plenty of room as soon as you like put the lace over your head. You'll have plenty of room, and you'll see that once you purchase the unit and put it on. You'll see you'll have plenty of room. So all you really need to do is adjust the straps. And if you're a smaller head girl, I mean, I wouldn't even be bad for you to go ahead and, you know, put an adjustable strap on there just to have, you know, more security for yourself. But I feel like the straps that are already connected to the wig, I feel like that's just fine. This will be the end of this video, you guys. Again, make sure if you are new, you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you're hitting your post notification bell so every time I post, you don't miss an update. Make sure you like this video, comment below, share, and I will see you guys in my next one.